quality wheel spacers increase the clearance by mounting between the hub assembly and the wheels, which will move outward due to the fixed position of the hub assembly. Wheel flush with or protruding from the fender will give a more visually striking stance and appearance. Running 15mm wheel spacers is exactly safe and beneficial, but make sure you are using a high-quality brand set. This performance advantage of premium 15mm wheel spacers can be readily seen in testing and has a real impact on your safety.
BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub central rings. The multi-layers design provides the beavers to fit the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition.
The higher the tensile strength, the more impact load the spacers can withstand, and the safer they are. BONOSS products have passed over 66 TUV SGS authority test reports, and 10 years warranty service provides you with better shopping experience. Therefore, using genuine quality wheel spacers is extremely important to ensure safety. And well-designed spacers will make your car perform as well as possible in every situation. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.